In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Progressive Insurance. If you need to contact Progressive with a question, claim concern, billing issue, or another request, the easiest way to do it is through their official Contact Us page. Start by going to Progressive's website and opening the Contact Us section. Once you're there, choose the email option so you can send your message through their contact form. Next, select the inquiry type that best matches what you need help with. This is an important part of the process because it helps route your message to the right department. You may see categories such as a general question, an insurance claim, roadside assistance, a billing or policy inquiry, or fraud and identity theft. Take a moment to choose the most accurate option so your request can be handled more efficiently. After that, fill out the required contact fields. Typically, this includes your full name, your email address, and if it applies to your situation, your policy number or claim number. You may also be asked for your mailing address and phone number. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, since this helps Progressive identify your account and respond to you without unnecessary delays. Once your contact details are entered, write your message clearly and directly. Explain your question or concern in a way that is easy to understand. It helps to include useful details, like the policy or claim number if relevant, important dates connected to the issue, a short description of what happened, and the outcome or assistance you're requesting. Try to be specific without making the message overly long. Also, avoid including highly sensitive personal or financial information unless the secure form specifically asks for it. Before sending anything, review all of your information carefully, double-check your contact details, make sure your message is complete, and confirm that everything is spelled correctly. This quick review can help prevent delays or follow-up questions later. When everything looks good, click Send or Submit to deliver your inquiry. In many cases, Progressive indicates that general inquiries usually receive a response within about 2 business days, while claim-related inquiries may take around 5 business days. After you submit the form, keep an eye on your inbox for a reply. It's also a good idea to check your spam or junk folder just in case the response gets filtered there. If your matter is urgent, emailing may not be the fastest option, so using Progressive's live chat or calling customer service may be a better choice since support is generally available around the clock. And that's how to email Progressive Insurance.